So what's up, guys? We are back for another review. So I finally got something in the mail that I've been waiting for a long time, and it is the Cremated palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I've been waiting this for a while. I know this palette is very controversial, but I just love him so much. I love the brand. Any product that I've tried before, I just am obsessed. And here we go. I haven't even looked inside, so this is gonna be a real first impressions. The packaging though, oh my god, it looks so gorgeous. Can we just get a big round of applause? This is just so cute. Not cute isn't the word, it's just so beautiful. Lipstick Nick did that, y'all, and it's just so pretty. I love it because it's not in the outside of the box. A lot of times brands will put really nice cute designs, but I'm not keeping this. I'm keeping this. So the moment we've been waiting for. Oh my god, this is the inside, y'all. Damn, these shimmers look like they're gonna be bomb. Okay, so I got my wipes ready for the swatches. I'm going to bring you guys in a little closer. We're not strangers, okay? There's no such thing as being strangers here. Okay. Yep. Okay. Automatically, the shimmers has got me. I don't even know where to start. I don't know if I want to start with the green. I don't know if I want to start with the darkness. I want to do something sultry, or I'm just can't wait to put my hands in this. I'm just talking and babbling, and I don't even know where to start. The names: R.I.P., Birth Certificate, Grave Digger. You know what? I don't want this video to be incredibly long, so I will be doing swatches, picture swatches, and I'll be inserting them, as I go. I do want to swatch the shimmers though, so just because there's not that many shimmers, and I feel that will just, just get an idea of how it is in camera. So this is Angel of Death, so pigmented. I don't want to fuck up. Angel of Death. Look how crazy pigmented. Oh my god. We weren't ready for this. We weren't. And I know there was a lot of controversy, but this is what I expect from a brand that actually puts dedication to their work. Death Certificate. This is Death Certificate. Look. The day he comes out with a warm tone palette, it's over for everyone. It is over. It is completely over. Oh my god, Paul Bear looks like it has a group, a duochrome kind of feel to it. Okay, this one is more shimmery, so I'm just gonna go over it with another time. It looks almost like a topper, but it's a duochrome effect. So beautiful. The next rose shimmer, there is Mortuary Beautician. Fuck, I forgot how to read. Mortuary Beautician, and here you go. What? The next one is Last Look. Like, to y'all. Y'all, it's just this. I expect nothing less. I expect nothing less. The next row of shimmers is Mausoleum. Said Mausoleum. Mausoleum. It is like a khaki kind of color. Almost blends right in, but it's so pretty. Then we have Embalmed. Oh my god, if I'm saying it wrong. Well, this one's kind of like a matte with a little bit of shimmer. It's not really shimmery, but look, so pretty. And then we have Goodbye. Like, look at that. Look at those swatches. Excited. And the last row, it is Afterlife and Diamond Ashes. Afterlife and Diamond Ashes. It's more glittery. So pretty. So when I ordered the palette, I was online right before 1, and I know it sold out very quick. It was very surprising because, like I said, it was just so controversial because of the time that, you know, that he launched it. But he did make a video explaining why he decided to launch this now. I will link it down below in case you guys are curious about it. I'm not going to go too in depth about it. But the palette, I forgot how much I paid for the palette. So I paid $58 for the Cremated eyeshadow palette, and I also ordered one gloss. So I ordered the gloss in Heaven's Gate. Packaging, the marble packaging is everything. Like, I feel like every girl's obsessed with marble, and I'm one of those bitches. I'm just obsessed with marble. Like, my MacBook has a marble case. Look at this. Wow. Look at that. So I'm just gonna do a swatch. You know how I feel about smells and bakery. It's like my two favorite things. It just smells like vanilla. I don't owe the diamond, the Fenty diamond one, so I decided to get this one, you know, because it's by Jeffree Star. So yeah, it's like a nice, it's not as glittery as the diamond one, but I feel like it's very wearable. It's more wearable than that one from what I noticed, because I had felt the diamond one. I don't know what look I'm planning on. I'm just gonna go with the flow. If it looks ugly, don't judge, okay? We're just trying out the formula. But I know the formula is gonna be bomb. It's just, it's Jeffree Star, for crying out loud. Like, there's no disappointment. Okay, I'm gonna go with Last Respects. Yeah, I'm gonna go in with Last Respects. So I'm gonna go a little bit above the eye crease. Yeah, Last Respects are very good transition color. It's like a light khaki kind of. It kind of has like a green under, like an olive undertone. If that's even possible. Yeah, I know one of the things is like a lot of people are like, oh my god, like the colors are so similar and etc, etc. But like, bitch, they aren't. Like, get the palette, feel it out, and you'll see that they're not the same. It is, you know, at the moment Morphe stores are not open, so you know, you would have to wait, I guess, until you go in store. But I don't regret this palette, and I was undecisive. Just for fair warning, I was undecisive in the beginning, but I'm glad. So after that, I'm just gonna go in with a Morphe M433. I'm interested in using Inheritance.
This art team here to fucking slay. I'm just so... I was not expecting that.
I'm also going to use this and put it in here because we will be doing a halo eye. So don't be fooled. We are going to blend everything. It's better off to start lighter and building up than starting from full pigment, because then you better pray to Jesus Lord Christ to help you at that moment, because you can't. It's just very hard. If I ever do that mistake, then I will, especially with the new palette, and I don't know how the formula is, I will literally just wipe everything off. It's a hassle, but you know, that's why you gotta pray to the makeup gods. Pray that you don't make a mistake, that the setting spray don't spray you and break up your foundation. Some of them be harsh, and you should be all good. So we did prime with the Anastasia one, so I do want to go in with the same Anastasia one, and it is like a creamy color, so it will literally make your pigment pop. But Jeffree doesn't need his shit to pop, and he doesn't need any help. These shadows are good on their own, but you know, I just want to be able to make way. You can go as high as you want to. A lot of times there's a trick that you could just put your brush like up there, and then if you blink, it will literally make way for you where to continue. So I'm just building it up. Gracefully, because you want them to be symmetrical. So that's why I have my eye like this.
So what I'm noticing now
is that some of the color is gone. Again, you could always tap off a little bit off and then just put it in. His shadows do have fallout. If it bothers you, then definitely you should think about it. Like, if it bothers you a lot, then I wouldn't get his palette. But I mean, fallout doesn't, having fallout doesn't mean anything is bad. Honestly, I don't mind it. I mentioned that in previous videos a bunch of times. But it's just, you know, it's just what comes into territory with pigmented shadows, and it's not patchy at all. I'm not having any patchiness. So that is good. I mean, I wasn't expecting it to have patchiness. Yeah. So we're gonna add the glitter. I don't know if this part got erased or not, but I basically did the middle with what color did I use? I used mausoleum on all over my lid, and then for that extra pop, and I brought it up a little bit higher, and then for the extra pop I did use diamond ashes just a little bit, just because it just brings the, like, I just want the attention all on the eye, and I'm gonna keep the rest of the face very neutral. I will add liner, mascara, lashes, all that jazz. I'll wipe all of this off, and I will do my under eye on camera, and then we shall see how everything goes. Okay, so we're back. If I'm shining like a diamond, it's because I'm using the Jeffree Star collection highlighter in Wet Dream. Literally a wet dream. So we're going to smoke out the under eye together. So I'm just gonna go in with Last Respects and yeah, I just smoke it out. And we're just going to add a little bit more. We're going to pack it on a little more. So this one's the M410. And we're just going to add some mascara. And we're just going to be using the Marc Jacobs liner and just line it up. Okay, so I smoked out my underliner already. And I'm just going to be adding the gloss as a final touch. Just bring it all over the center. So this is the final look. For lipstick, I am using the MAC Selena Big Bertha. And this is the final look. Okay, before I leave, I'm gonna drowse yourself in setting spray. And I know I'm bougie, but just let it dry out. But yeah, this is the look that I came up with. I think it absolutely came out so beautiful. The palette and the gloss must. Like, if you guys want like a nice scrunchy look, just get it. You automatically know that I'm gonna love all of these colors. Like, come on, they're just so nice. This is something like, I don't really have cool tone palettes, so this is good to have because you'll never know when you're gonna need them for a specific look or whatever it is. One day you're curious, you have really nice formulas. It's a really good formula. The gloss, if you're interested in these glosses are so nice and they're not sticky. They smell really good. Yeah, the highlighter of course is Wet Dream. But yeah, so this is my review. I really enjoyed this. I'm so glad that I bought it, and I know he's restocking again, so if you guys are interested, definitely get it, try it out. But it is beautiful. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe this video in case you guys want to see any more. But